I'm at the Engineering Technology Group today. I've come to meet with Steve Brown, who's going to talk to us about the Quaser range of machining centres. We're going to look at the MV184E.
MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Steve, this is the Quaser MV184 from the Engineering Technology Group. What sort of machine is this?
So this is a Quaser built machine from a large family of vertical machining centres, through from a 700 size in the X all the way up to a 2 metre.
So what does the MV184 stand for?
The 1 stands for the 1 metre, for the range, and the 8 is just a dictation of what Quaser use for their own badging, and the 4 dictates to the spindle taper. So you can have this in a 40 taper or a BT 50 taper.
Ah, okay, so would you have a 185, which would give you a 50 taper?
That's correct, yes.
Right, okay. Now, with this being a 40 taper machine, slightly different marketplace to a 50, who's going to buy a 184?
So the Quaser is predominantly high-end. So everything about the machine, the build quality and everything is very, very high-end. Quaser only build vertical machining centres. That's where their excellence is, along with obviously the 5-axis range and horizontal pallet changers.
Build quality, you talk about that, it's a big statement, but what makes it well built?
Well, obviously with the Quaser name, there's a big name that hides behind it, and that is the Bridgeport branding. Obviously when Bridgeport stopped manufacturing in the UK, they sourced a developer, and that's what Quaser did, carried on building that Bridgeport name.
So the Quaser brand of a machine, how long has it been available?
It's been available for around 12 years within the UK. But obviously the developments of the agencies has changed hands, with Martin Dore taking over. It's obviously fully available.
Now, the control on this machine is a Heidenhain control. Is that a 530?
It is a 530, yes. We have 2 variations. We have an E model and a P model, and they're both available with a 620 or the 530.
So what would be the difference between the E and the P then? Is that production or? Yeah,
so the E is economy machine and the P is the performance machine. So basically the difference between the two is the spindle power, the rapids, the acceleration and deceleration.
So with this being the E here then, just go quickly step through some of the things like the tool changes, the spindle speed, through spindle coolant, that type of thing.
So the basic specs, it's a 30 tool ATC, so obviously a quick arm tool change. It's a 12,000 RPM spindle with face and taper contact. It's got 20 bar through spindle coolant, and as the package is a full package including swarf management. It's a very compact machine, so the swarf management sits behind the machine. We have 2 augers and washdown, and everything is taken through the back of the machine.
And if you went for a P, what would be the difference?
The P, you get slightly bigger ball screws. There's a tighter pitch on the ball screw, which makes the machine look that more accurate. The acceleration and the deceleration is faster. Everything from Quaser, from their entry level, is 12,000 RPM with 20 bar through spindle coolant. And from there we can spec up all the way up to 24,000 RPM.
Now the Engineering Technology Group have got a lot of machines that they supply under their umbrella to offer engineers diversity and flexibility or a lot of choice. Yeah. Where does this sit in amongst the other products that you supply?
So this is at the top end. So obviously we have to cater for all markets, from the subcontractors all the way up to first tier customers. And this is where this machine is placed in that production environment.
Brilliant. Thanks, Steve.
No problem. Cheers, Paul.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.